Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is today's market update for January 19, 2021. As you can see here, look at the S&P 500. So over the weekend, the market pulled back right into the buy zone, and then they bow back up to the upside. So this morning when the market opened, it a little bit choppy, but they finally find a way to push it up to the upside. So overall trend is still bullish, so we will stick with the uptrend until they are no longer uptrend. So look at the Nasdaq, is also pretty strong, as you can see here. They will continue to push it up to retest the all-time high there. The Russell 2000 is also sideways, but they still hold up the momentum to the upside, and the Dow also still a little bit sideways correction here, but eventually we'll find a way to put it up to the upside, as we can see here now. Okay, so as long as the trend is still up, we will stick with the uptrend. So if you look at a lot of sectors, like we're talking during the weekend, the energy sector is still pretty strong. They still hold up, and after they correct, and then they find a way to put it back up again. The financial sector, people took some profit, but they still hold up pretty tight here, so they probably go sideways here a little bit there. And the healthcare sector is also pretty strong, as you can see here. They still hold up pretty well. So in terms of energy, you can see that a lot of stock that they try to turn around today. It's like ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil. They pull back a little bit, and then they try to find a way to break out this level here. And the D1 Energy is still pretty strong. ExxonMobil. Okay, they're all pretty strong. They United Oil is still hang up to the upside. And if you look at the semiconductor sector, it's also pretty strong that we have been following in the last couple of weeks. You see a lot of stock in this sector, extremely strong. You can see that the semiconductor sector ETF is still very strong to the move upside. They're leading by a lot of stock like Applied Material, AMD, right, KLAC, and Lam Research. So those stocks would continue to put it to the upside. And if you look at the financial stock, the bank, a couple of regional banks, the local bank like Bank America is still a little bit weak. People still take the correct, they still take some profit there. But or the big guy also, people take the profit after they run up too fast here. JP Morgan, they put it back up, but they are losing some momentum there. On the clean energy electric vehicle, you can see that since last week, those stock had dropped, and then they still put it back up. Tesla still hold up pretty well. Okay, EP, that's another sideways there. So if you look at a couple of stocks that we looking for we analyze on the weekly market forecast. Okay, like SKT, they put it back up today, and AMSM, that's another one. Okay, they go sideways, but they also try to hang on tight there. And the energy sector, the EXC, okay, that's another one that they try to put back up, but they pull back down a little bit there. So depending if the utility sector still find a way up, they do continue to upside. And the IBB, which is the bio sector, that you can see it's still very strong. They put it to the upside there, and you can see a lot of stock that they are doing very well. As you can see here, like GILD. Okay, so this stock they break out and push it up to the upside. Pfizer, they do have some sideways here, because it seems like that the vaccine, they have some allergy or something, like Moderna. They push it back up, and today they slam it back down. but the trend is still up, so people still stick with it. All right, and the two new one add on the list, that's the AZN. That's another vaccine they take up today after they get approved from the FDA, and Johnson Johnson also another one that they took up this morning, and BYND. Okay, so that's another stock that they hold up pretty high after they run up here. So they, as long as they can hold up a position here, they will continue to put to the upside. Look at a lot of FANG stock, the big cap stock, they try to turn around. As you can see here, a bunch of them like Apple, okay, Google, okay, and Facebook, right? So they all try to bouncing back up. So all the big guys, they try to turn around after last couple of day correction. So overall trend is still bullish. So we will stay with the trend until they change the direction. So I don't expect anything move much, until after the Biden take over the office. You can see clear direction how we're going to handle it, and then the market definitely they will maybe have a good day tomorrow for the celebration, so depend on the condition. But the overall look at the chart right now, the chart is still bullish, so we will stick with the uptrend. So today I take some profit up from the swing trade for Amgen. Okay, that's another biotech sector that have been run up straight up here. So they almost hit the resistance. And another OSK, that's another take a trade here. They hit the resistance, take some profit. So the total net profit for today is over $10,000. So that's the second method that we analyze every day in our live trading room, so that our member they'll be able to see a lot of stock that they are in the upside, so we can stick with the uptrend and make some profit beside a day trade. Today on the live trading room, the market is choppy, but we already define the buy zone. So when the market hit to the buy zone, they put it back up, they hit to the resistance, they pull back and retest the buy zone again. After that, they take up to the upside. So if you're in the live trading room, you see that easy to get 10 point up, 10 point down, and then if you stick there, you can get even more. On the ES, it's $50 per one contract, so that's the $1,000 right there. All right, so that's all I have for you today. So let's see where the market is heading to tomorrow after the inauguration day, and then let's see where it's going. Okay, so take care. I will see you on the next video.